Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Facebook and focus on resetting what appears in your feed today. Start by tapping the menu icon to find Settings and Privacy. Then open Feed Preferences to control who you see. Use Unfollow to remove accounts permanently from your feed. Use Snooze for 30 days to pause specific people and pages immediately. Choose See First to prioritize important friends or pages in your feed. Toggle Most Recent to switch from algorithmic ordering to chronological posts for a cleaner experience. On mobile, tap the three-line menu at the screen corner to begin. Scroll to Settings and Privacy, then open Feed Preferences from the list. Tap Unfollow to remove people or pages you no longer want to see. Tap Snooze to pause posts from someone for 30 days if you need a temporary reset. Use See First to mark people and pages you want prioritized in your feed. Finally, switch to Most Recent to view posts in chronological order instead of the algorithmic ranking. On desktop, click the downward arrow at the top right to access settings quickly. Choose Settings and Privacy, then open News Feed Preferences to manage content controls. Use Unfollow and Reconnect to refine who appears in your feed immediately. Clear your search history to remove signals that shape recommendations over time. Review likes and follows and unlike pages you no longer want influencing your feed. Finally, open Ad Preferences to limit interest categories and reduce targeted posts and suggested content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.